Hey guys, how are you? Happy New Year. So sorry, wala lang intro, but here we are. We are at Customary Kit for some late lunch. Here I am doing my own thing for the montage. Later on, here's our order. I just ordered one of my favorites. Itong mushroom soup with mango shake and iced latte. Sobrang sarap, grabe. And some two pieces na sausage. But they have their own names, Italian names, along with the side dish ng gulay. And, oh, yes, French fries. Grabe. Naubos ko to, imagine. Next is truffle risotto. Grabe. Sobrang sarap as in. Ito agad yung una kong tinikman na order. And then, yung chicken. Ito ay may cheese sa loob. Along with the veggies. And then, meron ditong pizza. Actually, nasa kabilang table yun. Humingi lang ako since sharing. And then, pesto. Grabe. Yung pagka-pesto nito, sobrang pesto. Ang sarap. And then, may order silang kanila. And then, sa kabilang table, may order din silang kanila. May mga pizza pa nga ang sarap. Another day, another kain. Walang katapusang kain as in. Sobrang sarap kumain. And here, today guys, we're not Alabang Town Center. As you can see kanina, we're just waiting sa Kiwami. Actually noon, dapat nakikiwami kami. Eh, ang haba ng pila, sobra like, yung waiting list nasa 10 plus. So today, we have a lucky chance. We're so fortunate na tatlo lang yung nakapila. So, we're just waiting for our orders. And mamaya, pakita ko sa inyo kung ano order namin mamaya. Orders complete, yes. Our order is ebi roll, sushi, dalawang ramen. Yummers.
Oh, grabe, ang sarap.
Sarap, grabe. We ordered spicy pa lang. Pero okay lang yung anghang niya. Solve na solve. Next is sushi. Yummers. Sarap. Fresh. Sarap. Next ramen is yung hindi siya spicy, pero siya, both bestseller. Sarap. So very rich. Guys, nag-order pa pala kami ng ice cream. Oh, the presentation. Ang sarap. Wait lang, overexposure. Ayan, kitang-kita nyo na guys. Ang sarap. Ito yung maple syrup version and choco crumble. Yummy. Presentation, perfect. First bite. Sarap. Heaven. Yummy guys, yummy. Next flavor naman yung titikman natin. Sarap din. Ang sarap. Pero mas gusto ko yung isa, yung chocolate. Ito parang pwede na for me. Sarap talaga. If you're wondering what's the price, guys, ng ice cream is almost 200 siya. Ganito na siya kalaki. What do you think, guys? Pero masarap naman siya. Guys, hindi na ako naka-vlog afterwards kasi nag-iba tayo ng camera. Yes. Pero hindi ko na siya sabihin ko anong camera yon or whatever that device is. Pero mapapansin nyo naman if ano na yung gamit ko. But going back, we ordered Spanish tuna bread, tapos dalawang sausage and bacon roll, isang sausage roll, isang white chocolate mocha ice, tapos dalawang caramel macchiato. Sarap. Yummy. Okay guys, short kwento para hindi bitin. After kumain sa Kiwami, of course, shopping. Ang hindi ko naabutan is Gap kasi I have my own agenda. But afterwards, nagkita na kami and then we went to New Balance to find this kind of shoe. Unfortunately, wala ng size. Nagkaubos na sila, grabe, since December, ayun nga. Fortunately, nakabili tayo sa shoe salon, nahanap natin yung gusto nating shoe. And then afterwards, nag-window shopping tayo, since nandun na rin tayo, ayun. Shopping galore ang person. And then guys, if napansin nyo kanina sa mga vids, may fireworks kasi after mass, merong fireworks show. And then we went to Westgate. Then, Uniqlo, may nabili din tayo doon. Yes. And then, after Uniqlo, nag-Starbucks reserve tayo. Walking distance lang. May pa-takeout pa tayong ano doon. Cinnamon roll. And then, balik tayo sa Alabang Town Center. Ayun, diretso healthy options, of course, for healthy living. And then, afterwards, nag-Rastans. May last minute shopping. Sobrang laki nung nabili. Sobrang dami din. Ayun, ang ganap for that day. Sarap. Sana all. Pero, ayun, another sarap na naman ng buhay vlogger. Just like, ano ba yun yung huli kong vlog? What do you think, guys? Teo, but tinted shades. Finally, guys, I got the matcha Oreo. After how many years? Ang last ko is parang after pandemic, post-pandemic. Grabe. Limot ko na yung lasa. Let's see what's taste. Taste test. Ang sarap, grabe.
Akala ko ako ang kausap dito.
Ang sarap. We're currently at H&M and nakita ko itong medyas na gusto kong design. Actually, nakita ko sa Daiso. Try ko i-send yung picture dito sa vlog. And magkano lang yun? 68 or 99. Tapos dito, sa 800. Pero ano na siya? Random colors. Not bad. Pero grabe naman, ang dami. Anin ko itong mga to. Wala, ang cute ng bag, pang Boracay. Mesh. Magkano to? Ay, 1K. Pwede na.
Ay, tawag
Magkano yung Lola?
1494.
1.5 large.
Para sa malak na. Organic.
I've been seeing some designs na ganito na naman. Medyo bumabalik yung trend ng stripes. May stripes ako nun.
Yan?
Parang gusto ko ulit bumili.
No,
What do you think? Magkano ba to? 400.
399.
Uy! May balak.
Ha?
Charing. Nung sinukat ko to, grabe, parang itim na siya pero ang laki sa akin. Although merong sando sa akin sa loob. Pero ang laki pa rin. Transaction successful na naman. Here we are at Muragami Udon. Grabe, ang sarap, ang bango. Pero ayun, pakita ko sa inyo order namin. Ang dami, sobrang sarap. Ito, yung beef udon nila plus sobrang daming ginger at spring onions para malasang malasa plus yung namin add-ons na tempura, sausage at yung onigiri which is yung sa akin yung salmon. Ang sarap, grabe. Uulit-ulitin tapos ayun, higop ng sabaw. Sarap naman. Dinamihan ko ng spring onion kasi alam mo naman, mas madami, mas masarap. We're now at Adidas and yung slippers ko kasi ganto. Pero medyo luma na siya. Ilang years na yun sa akin. Kulubot na nga yung puti. It's siya, 2-1. Pero nakuha ko siya ng sale. Tapos, bala ko sana is white. Pero wala namang white. Black lang. It's called Adilet shower. Kasi maganda yung niya, tela. Di siya rubber. Tapos, sobrang comfortable. Ayun nga lang, wala yung kulay na hinahanap ko. If nag-block naman ako, block na naman tayo. Gosh. Sale ko nga lang nakuha, tas dito 2-1. Outlet shop na siya ha, Lord. Pero, syempre, as a bias, black ang favorite color. One of the favorite. Pero ang dami ko ng black. Parang di naman tayo nagpalit. Nice. Ganda for the vintage tayo, oh, di boy. Classic flap. At saka yung gusto kong Nano Speedy LV. Hala, pati ang Adidas may release. Well, actually, ito naman talaga yung OG. Magkano? Walang price. Bayan. We're now at Starbucks and we ordered apat na tea and yung sa akin is brown sugar with soy milk and ice shaken espresso. Tapos dalawang pistachio cake, isang finish at favorite ko, sticky cinnamon. Yummers! Guys, I'm gonna try this brown sugar, soy milk ice shaken espresso. Napapanood ko lang to sa favorite vlogger ko. So I'm gonna try. Let's see how it tastes. So far, masarap naman. Kape. I think ito na yung one of my faves. We got the goods! Yes! Hey guys, update. Naka-Serenity ako today and it's been so long na nag-Serenity ako. Ang last kong Serenity was sa pa ATC Consolinad. Maali naman doon kasi doon lang yung meron branch sa Alabang or sa Santa Rosa, Novali. So good thing may branch dito sa amin. So the usual order na milk tea is the jasmine. And imagine, ang laki. Nag-crave talaga ako ng milk tea. And ang sinkers nito is maximum of 2 nata and pearls. Taste test natin later. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Sarang mati siya, grabe. I ordered diba yung pearls at saka yung nata, grabe. Recommendable. Sarap, sobra. Parang sa pre mag-milk tea mamaya. Taste test, guys. Sarap. Grabe. Mati siya. I like it. And then yung pearls, tsaka yung nata. Sobrang chewy. Recommendable. Parang sarap ulit mag-milk tea mamaya. Gosh. Sarap. Vinoise over ko na to kasi sobrang lakas ng music. But here we are sa Max while waiting for our orders. Take out for dinner. Let's see if tayo. Haul kasi we have little bit of shopping. Let's see. And outfit check, of course. I'm having my new bag. Very pop of color. And then Terra Nova pants. Black shirt. Our 777 necklace. Yes. And ayun. Outfit of the day. We got the goods. Yes. Guys, dito na vlog pero another grocery, another milk. Yummers. Guys, so sorry if hindi masyadong juicy ang ating vlog. But of course, always stay tuned for more. We'll see. Thank you guys for watching and always remember you only live once. We're done for today. Don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.